Here we've got Blaupunkt SF, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then select your Play Store, slide right to open the other functions and go to My Apps and Games. And over here under Updates, you will notice all applications that needs to be updated. So you can either update each particular application. For example, let me update Google Chrome. You can simply tap on it, then your device will download the update and install it. So give it a few seconds because it should be done quite quickly. And as you can see now, it's installing the update. And that's it. It has been done. And you can obviously also update all the applications by tapping on Update All. And as you can see now, we are downloading all the updates for all of the applications, and they will be automatically installed, uploaded first and then installed. So that's it. This is how you can update your applications in your Blaupunkt SF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.